Previously, we explored the basics of the Organizational Patients Directory, or OPD, in Renalgenie, where you can search and view profiles of patients across all your branches. Now, let's dive deeper into OPD's powerful features, where you can view a patient's complete clinical information in just a few clicks. You can now view the patient's clinical notes, including who created the note and when it was recorded. This helps ensure better traceability and coordination across centers. Moving on, let's take a look at the HD Prescription tab. Here, you'll be able to check whether the prescription is active or has been discontinued, giving you a clear picture of the patient's current dialysis plan. Next, head over to the Dialyzer tab. This section displays the list of dialyzers assigned to the patient, along with key details like the dialyzer type and reuse count. Now, let's move to the Medication tab. You can view both active and discontinued medications, along with key details like dosage, route, and frequency. For dialysis-related medications, treatment history is also available for better care tracking. Under the Vaccination tab, you can view all vaccines the patient has received, including the vaccine name, date given, and dose details. This helps ensure immunization records are always up to date across branches. View key viral markers in the Virology tab for quick infection status checks. Now, let's look at the dialysis chart. This section provides both daily and monthly flowcharts of the patient's treatment, giving you a clear overview of vital readings and dialysis progress over time. In the Lab Results tab, you can view the patient's lab summary alongside predefined graphs that display trends for key parameters, making it easier to interpret lab data over time. Next, go to the Access tab. Here, you can view details of the patient's access, helping ensure safe and consistent dialysis treatment. With OPD, you get a centralized and transparent view of the patient's journey, no matter which branch they're from. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials on how Renalgenie makes dialysis workflows seamless across centers.